Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm out here with a 14 by 66 Grabill is what we call this. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 880 square feet. You can pick this baby up for around $67 with a base price. And as soon as I walked in, I was able to tell. By the way, yellow is out for next year. But when you guys see the replacement color, you're gonna love it. It's more like a cream, like an ivory with maybe a little more yellow. Okay, wide open floor plan, so you're walking right into the living room. That means we have a split level floor plan here, and I can tell you right away, just from looking in here, this is going to be a rental. I know that because when I'm building for parks, for rentals, I do also, by the way, if you're watching, I can do wholesale orders for you as well. So if you're going to purchase 3 or more at a time, it puts you in a whole different category, and we have some special deals for you for that. So the Grabill is the smallest version of the same floor plan, where you're going to find the corner sink and the same layout. What's interesting about this, now this is just a regular floor plan, but if you flip it over and put a reverse aisle, the door ends up over there and the kitchen ends up over here. But what's interesting about this floor plan is it has a laundry area that's all by itself. Brick walls out for next year, by the way. Here's a shelf. So let's talk about the things that are upgraded in this room. This is a utility room shelf, $47. Make sure you need something to put your soap on. We've got Desert Springs on the countertop out for $20.25, but the laminate backsplash you can do with whatever countertop you choose. They replaced this with a color called Roma Bolano. It's very pretty. I've already sold a home with it. So Timberwolf on the counters, or excuse me, on the cabinetry, Nordic white on the floor. Nordic's out for next year. Now here, we don't see this very often, a Timberwolf trim. You can do it. I don't know if I would do it, but you can do it if you like. What happens is by the windows, no matter what, the bottom is going to be white. That's because our windows, we pre-build the inserts for the windows, and then we just put the windows in there. So the only place that's going to be trimmed out is going to be around the window right there. All right, here over the refrigerator, we've got the overhead, not shelf, cabinet. We've talked about that. That's usually a shelf right there. Make sure you replace that with a cabinet. I know you guys, some of you are going to say, well, I'm too short, Christina. Mama, I can't reach there. Well, you're going to want to be able to hide stuff. As a woman, if you're a woman, maybe if you're a man too, you want to hide stuff. When people come over, you don't want your stuff just sitting out and for everybody to judge you on. Okay, wide open living room, Casper cashmere on the walls. This is a VOG home. Heading back towards the primary bedroom. Sorry, I start to ramble sometimes. My daughter says I'm a yapper, I guess. Primary bedroom. Hi, Isabella, if you're watching. Inline sectional heating. Here, and all the way down the house. Perimeter heat is where you would move those out by the wall. Try to do that. Make sure you do that. $333. Oh, excuse me, $256 on a single wide. Here's the primary closet. Nice size closet, especially for a 14 wide. Impressive. Primary bathroom. By the way, you can stretch homes. If you love this floor plan, I can do it in a 16 wide. You can stretch it widthwise. You can stretch it lengthwise. And what's cool about when you're stretching a home lengthwise, we do it in 2-foot increments as long as we make the frame size. But you choose where. So say you want a bigger living room, we'd stretch this. Say you want 2 foot here and 2 foot in your bedroom, we can do that too. Just let me know what you want to do. If you'd like to visit me, put you in a real nice hotel, and we will takes about a couple hours to go through the factory tour. I'll show you step by step how the homes are made, and then we'll see some finished homes on the lot. These are homes that I just crawl in that are ready to ship out, but we have some show homes. And also, here's bath 2. I'm right in the middle of redesigning, hi everybody, the lot. So we're shipping out ones from, they last about 18 months before we switch over to newer models. So those are almost gone. And wait till you see what I designed for the next batch. Woo-wee! Okay, here you go. 14 by 66. We call this home the Grabill. You can pick it up for $67,000. You can reach me at www.mobilehomemama.net. I'll give you a personal phone call. And you can reach my office at 260-383-1009. I am proud to say that I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes at their flagship factory in Topeka, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching.